Welcome to our video tutorial on how to set up the Foscam FI9821P plug-and-play camera. You can connect your camera to the internet in one of two ways. The first method seen here is a wired setup. You're using the Foscam Ethernet cable to connect the camera to the router directly. The second method is using wireless. You're going to connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the back of the camera, and the camera connects wirelessly to the router using WPS. WPS, or also known as Wi-Fi Protected Setup, allows you to connect the camera to your router in a very easy two-step process. As seen here, push the WPS button down on the back of your camera for 2 seconds. The green LED light on the back of the camera is going to start flashing rapidly. This means that the camera is searching for your router's WPS signal. Next, you need to push the WPS button on the back of your compatible router. If you're not sure if you have a WPS button on your router, be sure to consult your router's user manual. Once you've done this, the green LED light on the back of the camera is going to start blinking slowly. This means that the camera is now connected to your router wirelessly. Now that our camera is set up, we want to view the live video on our smartphone. If you have an iPhone or an Android phone, go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and search and install an app called Foscam Viewer, seen here. In the Foscam app, click on the IPC icon on the bottom of the screen. Then click the QR code scanning icon. Now we need to scan our camera's QR code. You can find the QR code on the bottom of the camera. Now you can scan the QR code with your phone. Line up your camera and the QR code. The device UID field will automatically populate. Now we just need to fill in the rest of the fields. For the device name, you can call this camera whatever you'd like. I'm calling it My Foscam in this example. Skip the device UID field, and in the username field, type in admin, all lowercase. In the password field, you want to leave this blank by default. And now you can push OK. Now we're ready to view live video. You can click on the camera you just set up, and the camera will automatically log in, and you'll see live video. If we go back to the IPC device list, you'll see that there's a green LED icon next to your camera. This indicates that the camera is now connected. If you want to pan and tilt the camera, just swipe your finger across the screen. Remember that you can also rotate your phone into landscape view, so you can view the video in full screen. This concludes the video tutorial.